What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, you might want to save some money for a lot of coins that are out there, but one coin in particular that a lot of people will resonate with because, it may move quite a bit. You may get paid something while you hold it. There's just a lot of possibilities with this coin and something that's more consistent. So, a lot of people believe in coins that are more consistent rather than the ones that have a ton of speculation behind it. So we're going to get into what this coin actually is. You take a guess during this time in the video. If you want to pause it, please do so. I know you can probably wait and then figure out what it is and then type it really quick, but don't do that. Really take a guess of what coin I'm actually talking about. I'll go through some things and give you some time to think about what that coin is. You can pause it then, or you can continue to watch this video throughout this time and just think of what that coin is, type it down there, and let me know what you think the coin that I'm going to mention in this video is. But before we get started, guys, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias as well as my Twitch. I think I want to build a full platform there and be able to build something, a streaming platform and a streaming community over there from YouTube and maybe some people from Twitch as well. I don't know. It's not really a networking site, so it's very difficult to do that. But definitely go and check out all of those links that I have in the description. But let's go ahead and talk about crypto, right? No, these are not the coins. You can take a guess on if it's any of these coins that I am holding in these wallets. But you can see here that a lot of things are at pretty decent prices. And I can say that a lot of things are buy opportunity. I just made a video on Loopring and how that's a great buy opportunity at 250, and, Anchor and, Cardano. There's just a lot of great positions that are here. But the position that I'm actually referring to is not on this list. At least it's not on this list here of the ones that I'm invested in. OMG Network, Krill, Shiba Inu, Quant, Bounce, Compound. I'm kind of just stalling for time, I guess. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So the one coin that I actually believe you should probably keep an eye on and maybe even make a purchase into some of these is Algorand. Algorand is a position that I've been holding for about 2 months, a little over 2 months. I think it was 2.5 months or so. Algorand is down to a price of $1.66. Now, this is a position that can definitely grow a lot higher. Now, you're probably asking yourself, if you're not familiar with Algorand, what makes it so special? Why is this such a special position, and why does this move consistently? It looks like it's pulling back hard. Well, first, all crypto is pulled back hard, and actually a lot more crypto that has more fluctuation and less hold time. You'll see that decrease a lot more. But over the last day, this decreased by 0.5% rather than all the other cryptos out there that have been decreasing by 3%, 4%, 5%. This hasn't decreased by nearly as much as some of those coins. However, it did fall back from $2 down to about $1.65 over the last 3 days, because we have seen a ton of crypto pull back, no matter how consistent it is, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, no matter what it is, it's been pulling back. Now, what makes this coin so special? Why is Algo a great coin? Well, if you look here, right here, there's this green area, right? This green area, these green letters and numbers. What does that say? Earning 4% APY. 4% APY, that's pretty dang good. It's not amazing, because you can find some that you gain 5%, and you can also find dividends where you gain 6%, and you can find a lot of other things where you gain a ton. But if you're looking at cryptocurrency, this is one of those coins that you hold on Coinbase or you hold in the Coinbase wallet, and you can gain an APY with. You can gain 4% every single day. This is something that pays you out daily. You look at the circulating supply, the total circulating supply is 10 billion. That is low. It's high compared to some of the other coins that are in the millions. You can say Bitcoin is 21 million total, 19 million where it stands. But 10 billion is low compared to some of these other coins that are out there. And if this is one of those coins that's very popular on Coinbase, it has the potential to grow a lot higher and hold those levels, because the typical hold time is 47 days. Now, if you look at the market cap, it's around 10.4 billion, but something that is as popular as algo when it's 18th on the list, 18th on the list for Coinbase, this means that it has that full popularity and full potential to go up into the level of 25 billion or 30 billion or 50 billion, right? You can see those levels a lot sooner than, you see it drop down even more, right? So yeah, you've seen the volume go down. People are just holding the position, but this is a perfect time to make a move into Algorand. And this is why I buy $10 worth of Algorand every single day, no matter if it's an up day or if it's a down day. Now, I would probably have to, I think it's every single week. I might have mentioned every single day, but it's every single week I'm buying $10 worth. So I might have to up that this week and buy $50 worth and just, maybe throw the other $10 for the other weeks out the window, not really out the window, but just put it all into this week because it is down quite a bit. And that's where I will make my move, but it's at $1.65, which is a great buy. I've been buying a lot that's at like $2. I initially bought at like $1, but right now I hold about 2,040, I believe, 2,049, and it goes up every single week because I add more. And you can see that I'm getting paid 36 cents every single day. 36 cents, 38 cents, 43 cents, 43 cents, 46 cents, 49 cents. I'm getting paid a lot every single day. I know you couldn't see that, but I'm getting paid every single day as you do look through that. So this is a great position. It's a perfect position to make a move into. It's a perfect position to get started with an interest earning account. And to tell you the truth, this is not the only one. I just think that this is one of those positions that a lot of people should probably focus on because it's a cheaper amount that you would put money into. So $1.65, you only have to pay $2 and you hold one coin of Algorand and you gain 4% on that one coin. Or if you buy 10, you're basically paying $10.65. I think that's obviously wrong. $16.50. Couldn't do math for a second, and you're getting paid 4% APY on those coins. So it's a great position to get into as a long-term position, and this is why I put money to it at highs and at lows. So let me know if you agree with that position. Let me know if you got it right when it comes to just guessing it in the comment section below before I mention the coin. And don't lie if you got it wrong. If you thought I was going to mention Loop Ring, or you thought I was going to mention Ethereum or Ethereum 2.0 or Bitcoin or whatever, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you already let me know, respond to that comment and say, I was wrong. It helps with the algorithm, getting more people, getting more engagement. And don't forget to hit that like button. But that's my video, guys. Algorand is a great position to get into. I like it, and I will always like it because I'm going to hold it for a long period of time and keep investing as it does go lower. And if it goes higher, I will still invest, and that's just my overall mindset. But hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. If you want to get interested or get information on other cryptocurrencies that may be new to Coinbase and what are my opinions on it, you can always go to the Patreon link in the description. If you join as Profit Hands level on Patreon, you can get all of the videos that I put out there, which include the new updates to a lot of Coinbase's, cryptocurrencies, the new cryptocurrencies that they add on there. What are my thoughts on that? As well as the Crypto 101 videos and just a bunch of other content. So if you guys are interested in that, hit that link down below. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.